Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to save Instagram draft reels directly to your gallery without posting. If you've ever crafted the perfect reel but hesitated to share it immediately, this guide is for you. First, open your Instagram app and ensure you're logged in into your account. Tap the plus icon to create a new post. Now select reel from the options below. Record your video or select content from your gallery. Or you can simply tap on drafts option, then tap the menu, which is the three horizontal lines at the side of the draft that you want to share or save. Tap on it. Click on edit. And here you see the downward button. It is the save option. Tap on it. It may take some time, but this will save your video and this will save your reel directly to your device's gallery. And that's it. You successfully saved your Instagram draft reel to your gallery without posting it. Now you can share it whenever you're ready or keep it for personal use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.